Struggling with a messy investment portfolio across multiple platforms? Feeling like you're missing out on M1 Finance's automated investing, dynamic pies, and powerful tools? You're not alone. The good news is, transferring your account from another brokerage to M1 is a lot easier than you think. And best of all, you can do it without selling a single stock and incurring any taxable events. So let's talk about how to make the move. The first thing to understand is that M1 uses a service called a CATS, which stands for Automated Customer Account Transfer Service. This is the standard industry process for moving your assets in kind, meaning your securities, like stocks and ETFs, are transferred as is. This is key because it avoids the need to sell everything and then repurchase it, which could trigger a taxable event. Before you start, there are a few things you need to have in order. First, make sure you have an M1 Finance account open that matches the type of account you're transferring. For example, a Roth IRA needs to go to a Roth IRA, and a joint brokerage account needs to go to a joint brokerage account. Next, gather your information from your old brokerage, including your most recent statement. You'll need the account number and the account type. Okay, let's dive into the process. From the M1 app, you'll go to the Move Money section and then select Transfer from another brokerage. M1 will then walk you through a few simple steps. You'll need to specify if you're doing a full or partial transfer. A full transfer moves everything, all your cash and investments, while a partial transfer allows you to select specific holdings. You'll also need to select the firm you're transferring from. The process is fully automated for most major brokerages. If your firm isn't on the list, M1 can help you with a manual transfer. Once you've entered the details, including your account number and a copy of your statement, you just have to submit the request. M1 handles the rest. The transfer typically takes between 5 to 7 business days. M1 does not charge an incoming transfer fee, but it's a good idea to check with your old brokerage, as they might charge a fee for the outgoing transfer. Keep in mind that while most common stocks and ETFs can be transferred, some securities like mutual funds, options, or foreign assets may not be supported by M1. You can find a full list of unsupported securities on the M1 Help Center. Also, M1 will only transfer full shares. Any fractional shares you hold at your old brokerage will be sold and the cash transferred over. So, a quick look at your old portfolio is a good idea. Once the transfer is complete, your transferred investments will appear in your M1 account, ready to be added to your new pies. You can track the status of your transfer right from the M1 app. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.